What we're going to look at is creating a date box. Now, we want to track the progress of our students and record the date, which we can. Now, we could type in Monday the 7th or the 2 of 7th of 2022 or whatever the date is, but the chances of making a mistake are quite high. And if you're on a tablet device, you really just want to click on it, and you don't want to necessarily have to enter by using a keyboard or something like that. So how can we do that? We can do it by using a thing called data validation. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to jump into our spreadsheet, come across to my progress check bit here, and what I'm going to do is just highlight these cells by holding my mouse key down and dragging down to the bottom. Then I'm going to come to my formatting tab in here, and I'm going to come down to, I'm going to come to my data tab, and I'm going to come down to data validation. Now in my data validation, I don't want to come a list from a range, I want to grab a date and then go save. Now you might be looking at that and going, well, that's all well and good, you've just done a few clicks and nothing's changed in your spreadsheet, but check out this magic. If I now move my cursor across here and double click, up comes a calendar, and I can choose the date that I have seen with this student. Now notice that this has put the date around the wrong way. So you need to fix that. Now the way to do it is quite simple. We want to go to our formatting tab. I'll highlight them first. Come to format, come down to number, scroll down to your date, and there we go. So now if I double click in here, I can pick the date that I saw that student's work, and it's automatically being done for me.